S domain network, sir.
Okay, good. So today we'll continue, and I told we have one last topic, that is your waveform representation. So just a minute. So waveform representation we'll try to solve today. So how to apply Laplace for the given waveform. So that will conclude your model number 4. So from next class onwards, we'll deal with your model number 1. So let's go to the basic things. Just a minute. Yeah, so today we'll discuss about the waveform generation of Laplace. So I hope in the last class we discussed about u of t, r of t, as well as your delta of t. Am I? Did I? Did we talk about u of t, r of t, and delta of t? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So before going for that, so I just want you to analyze how to realize any waveforms. So they are not going to give any equations for you here. So they will just give you a waveform. So using waveform, how to debug your Laplace is a task. So before going for that, so let me analyze you how to write x of t in different ways. Okay. So try to analyze this. This we already discussed. So let me brush up once more. Assume that this is your x of t given signal. See, I can take the signal however I want. So 0, 1, 2. So if this is your x of t, is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
See, whenever they ask any waveform sketching, so make sure you write the things one below other. Okay, so it will be good for you while doing addition, multiplication, or subtraction. Okay, so try to write any signal one below the other. Fine. So if this is x of t, if they ask you to plot x of minus t and minus x of t, so if these two are asked, so for the given x of t, if x of minus t is asked, how to plot, I'll just show you. Just understand clearly. So now I need to plot x of minus t. Look at here. So what is there with me? X of t is there. And what is they have asked for? X of minus t. Means what? What was starting at plus t should replica towards minus t. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So t was at 2. Now because of this minus t, t becomes what now? What is the value of t? If I take x of minus 2, so I need to plot x of minus 2, correct? T value is how much in this maximum? 2, right? So here I need to plot x of minus 2. So what is the meaning of this now? So what was the waveform starting from 0 ending at plus 2? We'll take a mirror image. So minus means mirror image. So whatever is there, it comes towards this side. So it means what? So let's just check out. Is this the signal look like? Yes or no, yeah? Everyone?
Yes,
You
sir.
got what I taught? Is that fine? I'll repeat. If this is x of t, see, this may be any type of signal. It may be triangle, square, ramp, whatever they give. Stick on to the procedure. If they give x of t for you, and if you want to put x of minus t, what I told, whatever time axis is given, just mirror image. So look at here. So how it was starting at plus 2, this goes towards minus 2 because t was positive, now t becomes minus. Any doubts, anyone with this? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, how to plot minus x of t? Look at the next question. I need to plot minus x of t. So it means what? X of t is here. So in this category of minus t, I have folded my what? I have mirror image my x-axis with respect to time. But look at here. If I say minus x of t, what is the meaning? I need to fold what? What I should fold? The amplitude. Yes or no? Look at here. This is x of t. If you say minus of this means this plus 1 becomes minus 1. Agree, yaar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how the signal looks like now? So the thing which was starting In this way, it comes. See, 0 and -1 is here. So it goes like this. So this is your 2. So this will be for 1. Look at here. The amplitude was starting at +1, right? Now the same thing, see, it has folded. If you fold this, is it how it looks? Is it visible what I wrote? Everyone, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone got the difference between x of t, x of minus t and minus x of t.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the basic thing you should require, because when you go to solve the problem, these three will be merging together. Then we should not have any difficulty. For that purpose, I made it to understand at the beginning itself. See, this type of things, there is a pure subject called as signals and system in your upcoming 4th semester. That time you learn in detail. But now for the Laplace purpose, how much you want, that much basics I am telling from the signal side. Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Fine. So
Yes,
let
sir.
me give one signal for you. You try to plot this. So assume that the signal is given in this. So I am given a trapezium now, -2 +2. So this is x of t. So same way, plot x of minus t and x of minus x of t for me. Everyone? See, like this, whatever signal they give, you just stick on to the procedure. So what is x of minus t now? How it looks? If you have both same, let me change this. Then understand. So assume that I have given till my +3. Yeah. So now tell me, what is your x of minus t? How x of minus t will comes? So this +3 will goes towards to -3. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just a mirror image. So just change +2 minus, minus to plus. So this will start at -3. Okay. It goes like this and ends at +2. So this is how it looks for x of minus t. Everyone agree? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
same way, how you plot minus x of t. So this should be mirror image. Means what? So signal what was starting here, it goes mirror image of it. So -2 and plus. Am I clear to everyone? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is what the thing you should learn. So now let me try to incorporate what is given in the syllabus from this chapter. So I hope no doubts from this plotting. If anybody have doubt, just ask me. Otherwise, we'll move on to a problem now. Any doubts, anyone till here? Is it fine? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now assume that, so x of t is given like this, u of t plus u of t minus 2. So whenever they ask the equation like this, and if they ask you to write a waveform, how will you plot? See here, so u of t is like first function, u of t minus 2 is like second function. So if I add first function, second function, I should get my x of t as output, correct? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what you should do, you just make you just make a separate function f1 of t, f2 of t. So let's try to plot this in a waveform. So I hope everyone know how to plot x of u of t. So I told just make a graph such a way that everything should be in one slot. So everyone knows u of t is like this. Agree? Is it your u of t? Is it fine, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So how will you plot u of t minus 2 now?
Sir, we shift towards the right hand side, sir.
Good. 0 to 1 is first shift and 1 to 2 is second shift. So it means it starts from 2, goes infinity. Amplitude is 1. Agree?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
fine, everyone? See, if you have doubt how to get this shifting, just do one simple thing. whatever things they are given here, you write here. T minus 2 equal to 0. So what is equal to now? Is it time interval starts from 2? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So the waveform will start from 2. That's it. So if you remember this, so you don't have any confusion how to move the things. I hope everyone got till here. I have function f1 of t and f2 of t. Now we need to add this to signal. That is all the task? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now listen carefully how to do addition. So now I need to get the answer of my x of t. Yeah. Listen carefully now. Say it 0 to infinity, 0 to 2. In between there is 1 also in this. So it is like this 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. Here also 2 to infinity because u of t function starts from 1 and goes towards infinity. Now listen here. So look at the first function. I need to add this and this. This need to be added. Okay, let me change the color now. 0 to 1 interval. 0 to 1 interval. Signal is there here? Signal
Yes,
is there, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the amplitude?
1.
1.
1. So here amplitude is 1. What about here? Signal is there?
But amplitude is 0.
Correct, huh? Signal is not there only. There is no picture of addition here. See, there is no signal only. Signal is starting from +2. Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 0 to 1, signal is there. If signal is there, then consider the amplitude. Signal is there, amplitude is 1. And here signal is not there, amplitude is 0. So 0 plus 1 is how much? 0 plus 1 is how much?
1.
1.
So it means 0 to 1, 0 to 1 signal occurs. Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 0 to 1 signal occurs like this. Correct? This is moving. So this is nothing where. So same way will come. Now move from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 signal is there. 1 to 2 signal is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Signal is there with amplitude 1. What about here? 1 to 2 any signal is there?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But 1 plus 0 remains same, constant. So I can extend till 2 same thing. Any doubts? Anyone with this till here? Is it visible what I am writing here?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts? Anyone till here? I will repeat. I need to add this plus this. So at 0 there is no there is no signal, but here there is signal. That's why I put a constant term. Okay. Then 0 to 1 signal is there with amplitude 1. But in second signal 0 to 1 there is no signal, so don't need to add anything. It's like 1 plus 0, it becomes 1. So constant. Then 1 to 2 signal is there, here not there. So amplitude is 1. That's why retain amplitude 0 to 1. Is it fine till here now? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now look at here. 2 to 3 signal is there. 2 to 3 signal is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
And look at the amplitude now. Amplitude is 1 here and here also amplitude 1 is here. So 1 plus 1 how much?
2, sir.
2.
2. It means from 2 to 3 the amplitude rises to 2 and it remains constant because it goes infinity. So you can just write infinity. So is it what the waveform look like if we add this to signal? Any
Yes, sir.
doubts? Anyone? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat or understood? Anybody wants me to repeat? Is it fine? I'll repeat the last part. 2 to 3 signal is there, amplitude is 1. Similarly 2 to 3 signal is there, amplitude is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2 amplitude is here, right? So from 2 to 3 it goes towards your 2 and frame there it is constant because there is nowhere end. It is like infinity. That's why it goes towards infinity. So this is how you need to plot x of t. Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now listen. See what I told you. This is not going to be asked for you. What is they are going to ask is they will give this final answer. This waveform will be given. You need to debug this, and for this you need to apply Laplace transform. That is what you are going to do in this topic. Am I clear? If I straight away write this waveform and if I ask you to plot this, it is not possible, right? So without knowing how we got that, you can't plot. That's why I gave one simple example to make you to understand what exactly is plotting or addition takes place in u of t function. So question will be not this, question will be like this for you. So from this you need to get this, then for this you need to apply Laplace transform. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now let me give one. I want you to plot same question. I will just change a small change here. So I'll make it as t plus 2. Plot. So u of t plus 2. I want you to plot this now. If you plot, you will get to come where you are stucking. You can ask me that time. So plot everyone. So everyone need to understand the logic first. So question will be the last. This will be a question. So from this, you need to get that. Yeah. Done. So u of t is like this. Okay. Then you need to plot t plus 2. What is the meaning of t plus 2? I told just now. If it is t plus 2 equal to 0, start with minus 2. So the waveform will move towards minus 2. Agree? So how to plot this now? Is it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your u of t plus 2. Yeah. So now the task is I should add this. Add and tell me how the answer comes. So it is starting from minus 2, but here it is nothing is there. It means what? This plus this. So we will consider here also minus 2. So minus 2 to minus 1. See, at a time you should not take complete interval, take one by one. So minus 2 to minus 1. Any signal is here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any signal is there?
No,
I
sir.
am asking you people only. There is any signal? No, right? But here it is there.
Yes, sir.
So since it is addition, so 0 amplitude 1 only, u of t 1 only. So 0 plus 1, so signal exists from minus 2 till where? Again minus 1 to 0 it is not there, but it is there, correct? So can I write from minus 1 to 0 like this? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine till here?
Yes.
So minus 1 to 0, signal is not there, signal is here. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So same way just think, if I do subtraction that becomes minus 1, that's all. So 0 minus 1 means minus 1. You need to write the waveform below. That is the difference between addition and subtraction. So better understand addition first. So try to solve the things, everything addition only. It will be easier for you. So now tell me, after this 0 to 1 signal exists? 0 to
Yes.
1 signal exists? Here also exists. So 1 plus 1.
Yes.
So it means what? The signal starts from 2 and goes like this. Is it how it looks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can compare the both. Look at here. So if this is plus 2, how it looks? If it is minus 2, how it looks? Plus 2, how it looks? See, they are going to give this for you in the question. From this, you need to write individually like this and get the question back. So x of t is equals to u of t plus u of t minus 2 or u of t plus 2. Then for this, you need to apply Laplace transform. Any doubts? Anyone till here? I hope everyone remember the Laplace transform for u of t and u of t plus 2 t minus 2. Do you remember? Yeah. Did you wrote the formula for this? Anywhere did you wrote the formula here? Laplace? Say yes or no here. If it is done, we can go. If not, we can write. Yes? Is it done?
U we have written
Laplace.
U of t.
ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಾ?
U of t ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ sir ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yeah, u of t you got. What is the answer?
1 by s.
1 by s. Correct. So what about u of t minus t?
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ sir ಅದು.
Just make a note of formula now. I will erase this. So whenever the Laplace transform is applied, so whenever you have Laplace of u of t, I think this you already got it as 1 by s. Okay. If it is Laplace of u of t plus 2, so in general it is like t plus or minus t. So now, so this t indicates any time interval, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So what is the formula for this? Just make a note. The formula says it's e power minus ts by s. E power minus ts by s. So what is t in this problem? What is t in this problem?
2 sir.
2 na? So I should put 2 here. Yes or no? So this becomes e power minus 2s by 2. So if you apply Laplace transform for this, how it looks? Laplace of your x of t is equal to u of t Laplace is 1 by s and plus u of t plus 2 Laplace just now we wrote e power minus 2s by s. So this is what the answer. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes sir.
So I hope you got the logic of your waveform synthesis now. Whatever type of signal they give, stick on to procedure. So I told clearly, this is your question. So from this you should plot and get the equation and get the Laplace for that. So just remember the Laplace for this generalized formula. Whatever t is there, keep replacing it. I hope everyone understood till here.
Yes, sir.
Have you? Okay. So let me give one problem now. So I want you to solve this. So now I'm not going to give any equation. Straight away I will give one waveform for you. So I want you to sketch it. Okay. So what is the question? So the question is, express the waveform shown below. Express the waveform. Express the waveform shown below in terms of step function. In terms of step function. So this is a signal what they have given for you. So this is x of t. So this is your t. So amplitude is 3. Yeah. So this is the given waveform. So 0 to 1 constant signal, 1 to 2 there is a square, and 2 to infinity there is a constant term. Yeah. So for this I want you to get the Laplace. So first understand the things what we have solved previously. Try to get me individually. So look at the equation and tell me how many u of t functions are there. How many u of t functions are there?
Maybe 3.
If you write that, then you will come to know how to plot it. Can anyone tell me how many separate functions are there? Is it f1 only or f2 only or f3 only? So unit step, how much?
3.
3 you have. So you have f1, f2, f3. You just write once. Whatever you're telling, just write once. Then you can compare like this. See, I given a hint, right? Question was from the equation I told you how to get the waveform. Now you should do reverse engineering. So this is what the question. I want to get that u of t plus u of t minus 2 form. So for this, how you can get. So this is how the question will be given for 6 to 8 marks. Think over. So one of your friend told 3. Others?
Two
You have 3
functions.
functions in that?
2, sir. Sir, 2,
How
sir.
much? How much?
2, sir. 2. 2,
2
sir.
functions. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So let's try to write what is that f1 of t? Can anyone tell me what is that f1 of t? You told 2 functions, right? Which are those? Which are those here?
Sir, one
Anyone?
starting from t is equal to 1, sir.
3 is equals to 1.
No, sir. T is equals to 1, sir.
T is equals to 1. No, I should write in terms of u of t like this. I should. Okay, listen.
3 of t minus 1, sir.
Yeah, I will explain this problem. Understand?
T minus 1, sir.
Listen. So good what your friend is telling. See, if you take the first function as u of t minus 1 and look at the amplitude in the question, it says what? It's not 1, it is how much?
3, sir.
3.
So just need to multiply 3, that's all. See, whatever the question they are given, if they say 2 times of u of t plus 2, so whatever the u of t is there, amplitude should be multiplied by 2. It becomes 2 times, that's it. So same way, u of t minus 1. So just try to plot this. So everyone know u of t minus 1 look like this. Is it u of t minus 1 with amplitude 1? But here it is 3 is there. Multiply 3 for this. This becomes 3. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what your first half in this. See, this is the first half, the first function. Any doubts, anyone? Are you able to judge how to get this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now second function, f2 of t. So now tell me how to get f2 of t.
Sir, minus 3u t minus 2, sir.
Minus 3u.
T minus 2, sir. T equals
Very
2.
good. Very good. T minus 2. So how your friend told, let's try to plot. See, you just plot u of t minus 2 first. So how is u of t minus 2? U of t minus 2. So u of t minus 2 means it starts from here only. Interval is at 2. See here, interval is at 2. This is u of t minus 2. Okay, if I say minus 3, it means what? Folding. So this is for plus 3. If I say minus 3, it's folding. That's why I told at the beginning. Do you remember? Minus x of t. Is it logic working now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So how it looks now? So if I take minus for this folding, is it how it looks? So this is 2, this is minus 3. Is it this representation? Yes or no? Everyone? So the waveform starting from 2, it goes towards infinity. So this is what this. Now let's verify. If we add this 2, I should get back my question. Yes or no? Add it. Add this 2 and check out is it matching with that original question. If you match, see here only you can verify yourself whether you done right or wrong. If you add this 2, if you get back the question, you can get your marks there itself, how much you're going to score. Is it fine? Everyone? So try to add now. So what is the logic I told? How to add a signal? So just try to write the scale first. So this is your x of t what I want. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Till infinity, t will be there. So now go time interval. See negative side there is no signal only. No need to worry about negative part now. So 0 to 1. Signal is there here. Any signal is there from 0 to 1. I am asking you people only. Any signal is there from
No,
0
sir.
to 1? No,
No,
right?
sir.
See here? No signal. So here also no signal. It means what? 0 to 1, it remains constant. Agree and draw.
Yes, sir.
Next, 1 to 2. 1 to 2 signal is there here, but 1 to 2 signal is not there here. Agree? So 1 to 2 amplitude is how much? Is it 3? Is
Yes.
it 3? So at 1, I can rise my signal towards 3 and I can keep constant till 2. Correct, Anappa? Is it fine?
Yes.
So now check out here 2 to 3, 2 to 3. This is having a positive amplitude and this is having a negative amplitude. How it looks? Signal is like this, going one like this, going one like this. This to get cancelled now. Plus 3 minus 3. If you add plus 3 and minus 3, is it going to get cancelled?
Yes, sir.
So that's why amplitude dips from 2, it dips. It goes towards 0. And then afterwards, no signal. So it is kept constant. Is it what the question given? Is it what the question given? Any doubts? Anyone still? Yeah, if you have doubt, you can ask me. I'll repeat once more. See, if you understand one problem, the same thing replicas for n number of problems, whatever they give. So you got the question now. So this is a question, how to plot. This is what the things you should be aware.
Yes, sir. Sir, in F2, why is that a -3? I'm getting scared.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
That's a -3 into 2. That
This
thing
one,
I
huh?
didn't get. That thing once you just repeat, sir.
Yeah, I will repeat. Let's listen carefully. See, this is a given question. I need to get how many functions are there from this. Okay, that is the first step. So from this, by looking at this first one, so it means it's like u of t plus 1. Sorry, t of t minus 1, right? So u of t minus 1, look at the signal, it's going in this way. So amplitude is 3, that's why I wrote 3 times. So this is clear. So there is no doubt with this anyone. I hope till here it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, now think. Now think, I want to get signal after 1. So it is going like this. See, from 1 to 2, one signal is going like this, and you have one more signal like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it means there should be some signal which should be opposite to this. Yes or no? Then otherwise I can't get cancel of that two. Agree? See here, one is going in this way. If I get one more in this way, both will get cancelled. Then I can get this constant. That is what the mind thought we should have. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I take same way, what will happen? See, if I take same way, it is same thing will come. I can't get this 0. For that purpose, we have taken minus of this. That's why I told you understand x of t and minus x of t. Understood here? If you take opposite of this, then I can cancel this two. Remaining is this much. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Correct. Got it.
So I hope everyone understood how to get the Laplace transform for the given function now. Everyone, see that is not an end. After this, you need to get a Laplace for this too. That is the end of a problem. If you leave here itself, you are not going to get full marks, right? So how to conclude now? So what you should do? You need to take this two function. So you take x of t is equals to 3 times of u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2. Yeah, now apply Laplace for this. This becomes x of s. Yeah, what is this I told? U of t minus 1 formula 3 is constant. E power, what is a now? T is how much?
-1, sir.
Minus
-1.
s divided by s. Sarendra?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus e power minus 2s by s. So is it what the answer? Any doubts? Anyone till here? So this is what the conclusion. So you'll get, so for this waveform representation, you may get 4 to 5 marks and 2 marks for Laplace. Totally 7 to 8 marks problem is this. I hope you understood now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So whatever type of signal they give like this now, so you should have a mind process that try to get. See, you understand the thing what I taught you. That is your u of t, whatever thing they give, u of t minus 1, t plus 1, whatever they're going to give, stick on to this procedure. If you write this, you go reverse engineering. Then you'll get to know what is the waveform they are given the question. Is it fine till here, everyone? Any doubts? Shall I go with the ramp signal now? The last part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just try to get this last one. So then you'll go for ramp. So assume that the signal is given like this now. Okay, 0, 1 to t. So instead of giving the variable, so they are given t itself. Yeah, plot for this, get me a Laplace for this function now. So if you solve this, so you understood with this unit step function. Yeah, solve everyone. So this is a given question, 0 to t. So they not mention this time interval t now. Plot it. How many functions you have?
Sir, one is u of t and the other one is u of t minus t, sir.
T. Very good. So one is u of t minus or plus
Minus, sir.
minus u of t minus t. Is it what a signal? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, if you write, you need to have verification. You can do verification by yourself, I told you. So just plot u of t. So u of t is like this. Okay. So this is your u of t amplitude 1. And if I say, now very careful, u of t minus t, if you write, you need to subtract these two. So simple ways, you plot u of minus u of t minus 2, then you can add things easily to get the answer. If you write only u of t minus 2, again you should subtract this from this. Instead of that, you make minus of itself. So how it looks? So in general, how is your u of t minus t? How it looks? Is it left like this? This t I don't know. I'll just put in general. Is it your u of t minus t? Correct and wrong?
Yes, sir.
So now what I'm telling, instead of doing this and subtracting this 2, you'll get same answer. But if you take minus of it, how it looks? So this will become folding, right? This will become folding means I will write here. So it goes in this way. So this is your t only, and this amplitude becomes minus 1. So this is your minus u of t minus t. So now you need to add this and this. So if you add this and this, check out, is it this signal? If you separate also you'll get same, we'll verify both now. We'll go for addition first. 0 to 1, signal is there, here signal is not there. So 0 to 1, retain its position. Then 1 to 2, 1 to 2, signal is there, here it is not there. So this will retain its position, right? Now I will take 1 to t, 1 to t signal is there, here also it's there. Yes or no? Yeah, everyone getting or not? See, this is positive side, right? And this is negative side. Look at here. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes what? 0. So I can end that signal is ending at t here. Is it what the question? Yes or no? Understood here, everyone? I'm adding this signal with this signal. If you want, I'll erase this. If you're getting confusion. So this is your minus u of t. See here, negative part nothing, forget. 0 to 1, 0 to 1 signal is there, here it is not there. So retain its position. Then 1 to 2, here it is there, here it is not there. See, I don't know what is a t. It's infinity. So in general, if you take 1 to t, 1 to t, signal is there, signal is there. So look at here, this is going in this way, this is going in this way. So means what? This is plus, this is minus. Both will get cancelled. I will to retain this my signal at 0. Understood everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the Laplace for this here? You need to write this waveform, then conclude the problem with the Laplace. Yeah? Laplace of this. What's the answer? U of t
1 by s minus
1 by s minus
e power minus ts divided by s.
So if you want, you can take 1 by s common and you can write 1 minus e power minus ts. Understood? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you need to solve any waveform sketching if they give. So any doubts, anyone with this unit step function? So shall we go for one ramp problem now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now listen. So let me give a simple example first. So r of t minus r of t minus 1. So I hope you don't remember the ramp function. So ramp function was like this, right? So if you plot r of t, so from 0 it starts, it goes like this, correct? Yes or no? It will go to infinity. Since I have not mentioned any amplitude here, it goes. If I say 2 times of this, it ends at 2. Artha kidya? Is it fine? Everyone? If
Yes,
I say just r of t, it is just a continuous line. Instead of this, if I put 2 times of r of t, so you need to end that amplitude at 2. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's go with the generalized one first. R of t is like this. Then tell me how to plot r of t minus 1 here. How many shift?
one shift, sir.
So the waveform starts from +1 now. It goes like this. Correct? So this is your
Yes, sir.
r of t minus 1. So what I told, either you can subtract this from this or you make mirror image and you can add. Both are fine, not an issue, right? So now let me take minus of that. So if you plate minus of that, how it looks? What is happening now? Folding. So signal will go in this way. So is it your minus r of t minus 1? Am I clear to everyone till here? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Now proceed. Now tell me addition and tell me what is the answer. So negative part, nothing is there, forget. 0 to 1, it's varying, right? So 0 to 1, assume that there is a signal, correct? Here 0 to 1, signal is there.
No,
I'm
sir.
adding this and this now. This and this. Signal is there. Come on here, I'm asking you only. 0 to 1 signal is this side, but here it is not there. So I can retain 0 to 1 like this. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, 1 to 2 signal is there. See, this is still goes infinity, right? So 1 to 2 signal is there. What about here? It's there. 1 to 2 signal is there.
Yes, sir.
But how it is going now? One is going towards positive, one is going towards negative. Both will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I should write just a constant line from now onwards. Understood? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how the signal works. You always remember, whenever you have upper slope and lower slope, straight away the signal get cancelled. So there is no meaning of adding that two. One is going in this way, one is going this way. So straight away can neglect and constant it, make a constant line like this. So I hope everyone got the logic of your ramp function now. Have you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So shall I give one problem now? Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, others, anybody have difficulty to understand? You just unmute yourself and you should ask. See, this is very, very important topic. The last topic of this model. If you understood this U of t and R of t, that is the end of your fourth model. So from next class, we will go with model number 1. So if you have doubt, you can clear it out. How to add the signal or how to subtract a signal. So write on the question now. So U of okay, R of t is given as R of t plus 3. See, actually you are not going to get this question. The answer of this will be coming, but you want to understand first how to get the signal, right? For that purpose I am giving. Okay, R of t plus 3 minus R of t plus 2 minus R of t minus 2 plus R of t minus 3. So this is what the given signal. So how many functions you have now? How many functions you have?
4, sir.
4
1, 2, 3, 4. So plot everything separately. So I told you, try to make it as minus half, because addition will become easier than subtraction. You can add all the things in one shot. Instead of doing this minus this subtraction, again this minus this subtraction, and again that plus that. So better you take all as it is. You will try to add one shot. Is it fine? Yeah, plot this now. So we'll put one line here. So let me try to write the first one, r of t plus 3. So what I told, if it is t plus 3 equal to 0, it means the waveform starting from minus 3. So can I write the waveform minus 3 in this way? It goes towards infinity. There is no amplitude. Agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now t plus 2 means it starts from here only. But if I take minus of it, how it looks? How is your minus r of t plus 2? So if it is t plus 2, it goes in this way. If I say minus, is it like this?
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Arthaktin go. If anybody are having doubt, you should unmute, you should ask. Next. Again, t minus 2 is there. T minus 2 means it comes somewhere here, right? Plus 2 in the over. But since I want minus, is it like this? Is it your minus
Yes,
t
sir.
minus 2? Yes or no here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. And last one, I will write the answer here, but last one. So it says t minus 3. So t minus 3 means what? From 3, it goes in this way. So this is your r of t minus 3. So anybody have any doubts how to plot this first of all? Any doubts, anyone? Is it fine till here? Am I fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I want answers from your side. So now tell me how to add a signal. So this thing is starting from minus 3. So it means from minus 3, I write minus 2, minus 1, 0, and ending at plus 3, 1, 2, 3, so on. So this is your final answer. Yeah. Now look at this. I need to add all this, right? So from minus 3 to minus 2. So that is your first part. See here? Minus 3 to minus 2, you just put dot line for your reference. Signal is here. There are no signals here. It means, can I retain my signal 0 to minus 3 to this minus 2 as it is? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, minus 2 to minus 1, signal is there going towards positive. And here going towards negative. Here 0, 0. What's the answer? One is going like
Constant,
this.
sir.
One is going like this. What is the thing I told? If we say upper
0.
ramp,
Cancel.
lower ramp rising, both will get cancelled. It is 0.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I should
sir.
write constant till where?
Till 0.
Till
Till
where?
minus
Two, sir.
Till it reaches plus 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Arthakidiyappa. So minus 2 in the plus 2 varguno constant.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now look at here. So here 2 to 3. 2 to 3 signal is there. Here also it's there. But this plus and minus get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Then look at here. 2 to 3. Signal is going downwards. Here it is going upwards. Again cancel. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I should write 2 to 3? Is it dipping? Signal goes towards
Yes,
0 and from here onwards completely 0. So is it what your x of t look like?
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone understood now. So the question is this now. They will give this as question now. So for this question, you need to do all this analogy and try to apply your Laplace. That will get you Laplace. So instead of u of t, r of t is there. Formula for Laplace remains same. So remember the generalized formula what I gave. If it is r of t 1 by s, what is the formula for r of t? I think you written that. Is it a by s? What is the Laplace of r of s? Is it a by s? Yes or no, yeah?
Sir, we have not written, sir.
Okay, just make a note, everyone. I think I gave the formula. It's okay, not a problem. Let's make a note. If it is u of t, it's 1 by s, you wrote. If it is r of t, it's 1 by s square. 1 by s square. I'll just write here. So if it is u of t, 1 by s. If I say some a is there means I should just multiply a here. So it becomes a by s. Okay. So similarly, r of t, if you have, you can write 1 by s square. So if any amplitude comes, that become multiplied by a. Is it fine? Everyone? But same way, if it is for delta of t, it is equal to 1. Fair enough? So these three formula just remember. So Laplace of u of t 1 by s, r of t 1 by s square, and delta of t like this. Is it fine here?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I given t plus 2, same thing. E power for this also. E power minus ts divided by, you should write s square now. Don't put s. Denominator becomes s square because it is a ramp function. Is it fine here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the last topic what we had in this. So any doubts, if anybody have, you can. So if you understood this, I will give one last problem like this waveform. So for that I want you to plot r of t. That will be end of fourth module. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it done? Shall I give a problem
Yes, sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what is the problem now? Last one. So now I want you to get this question now. I will give the waveform for you. Put on the waveform. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is given x of t. So 0 to minus 1 to 0, let it one signal will be there. And 1 to 2. Yeah. So this is what the given question. Solve this. So for this, I want you to get the Laplace. So analyze it carefully and tell me how to solve. By the time you take attendance. How many functions you have? So I didn't get the amplitude for you.
3, sir. 3.
Three functions. Okay. So amplitude is 2. What they are given here? Amplitude is 2. So just check out. Just solve that. Equation 1 is there. 2, 3, 4.
Present, sir.
After in last class absent appa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir. 12.
yeah, 13, Tejas not there, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Yes, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17, 18,
Present, sir.
19, Bhargav is not there, 19, okay, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22, 23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8, 38, Deepak is not there. 39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41, Divya is not there. 42,
Present, sir.
43 is also not there. 44, 45, 46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48, 49. Pranav,
Sir, present, sir.
Krutik, Abhishek.
Present, sir.
Okay. Yeah, is it done? What's the answer? What is y of t you got?
Sir,
You told three functions. What are the three functions?
2r times t plus
2
2r of t plus
r
1
of t plus 1. Amala.
plus 2
Minus
u of
minus
t
Minus
Minus
2r of t
minus 2 r of t
plus
r of t minus 2.
plus
2r t minus 2.
T minus 2.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you got the same answer. See, if this amplitude was 1, then this would have been 1 and only. If it is 2, it is 2. According to this question, you should go. Okay. So for this, you should apply a Laplace like that and conclude the problem. I hope you have understood the logic now.
Yes, sir.
So whatever things they are going to use such kind of waveforms, so you should be able to solve the question. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll stop here. So next class we'll deal with your model number 1. So that is your basics, like how we did KVL, no? So you have KCL, then you have source transformation, then you have conversion, transformation. That we will deal from Monday onwards. I mean next class onwards. Is it fine everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can enter the US number and you can leave. Yeah. Any doubts, anyone? Okay. So see you next class. Enter US number and you can leave.